Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzinwith V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is an Inloveart shop video featuring some of their dies. And so let's go ahead and just get on into it. I am using Garden Party for this. So here is one of them right here. This kind of looks like this. And it cuts out perfectly. And so this is the box that it makes right here. I think it's such a cute little box that opens like so. So this is what it looks like opened like that. And then you could just close it up. If you glue the sides, you will have trouble opening the box. You know how, see how the closure is? How it tries to bend a little. So yeah, it's gonna have trouble closing if you glue the sides down. So if you want this die, I would recommend not gluing the sides down for a better, smoother open and close feature. So this is what my little project looks like. I'm using the Garden Party collection, and what I did here is I put a teapot right here, added some chipboard, a little cupcake, added some of these puffy stickers, and I cut out a remember sentiment from the paper collection, added some fishtails right here, and I lined the sides with patterned paper. The bottom even is lined right here for a sturdier fit, as well as the top and the flower. It's all stitched as well. I think it's such a cute little box, and this is how it opens. I did score it right along where the flower comes in. I scored it there on both sides of the flower, and so what you would have to do, see that I scored it so I could bend it like this and open it, so it would open like so. So I also cut it a little bit on the slit there. There's a slit right here, you see. So if you want to just fold that part, so as long as it's folded, you won't have trouble. Do you see this? How I'm able to close it very easily. And see how if you fold right here, you won't have any trouble. So that is my little tip for you. And so it opens like that, and this one's glued, and there's your little box. So if you don't fold that part of the flower, you will get some tearing, so you want to go ahead and do that. So that's what my little box looks like, and let's go on to the next project. Okay, the next project is this little set right here. It's a teapot, and it comes with all of these little decorative elements that you could do for the pot. And the little cup doesn't, it only embosses, it doesn't cut out. Let me show you what I did. So that is it, and I made a little bag here. And this comes off, has a little clothespin, and here is my element here, my little embellishment, and there's the teapot right here. I lined it with some sequins, so I did fussy cut all of this out right here, and I should have added stitching there. I think it would have gave it a better touch. Added a bee here. And here's the cup. If you can see it right here, I cut two out and fussy cut one a little smaller, and I added some stitching, and then I added all of these pieces right here. The butterfly, I love the shaker bit, and then this bee is just a paper clip, and I love how this came out. It's just a little bee paper clip, you guys, and it's on a honeycomb. It's so cute. I love it because I love bees, and especially gold and pink bees are the thing. So that's it right there. Loved how that came out. So it's just gonna be on top of a bag with a clothespin, so the recipient could reuse that piece. That's such a cute piece to have. And the die looks like this. So this is the die right here. You get the teapot, you get a tea bag, you get a little flower, and then these are all of the decorative elements for the teapot. And then here is the coffee cup right there. So it's all set for you in one die, and it's such a cute die. I love this. Definitely goes very well with a garden party. Okay, so the next one is my favorite, you guys. Well, let me go ahead and leave that for last. So the next one is this one right here, which I didn't get enough time to decorate, but I was sent this one because the one that I picked out wasn't available. But this is what it does, and it's a very beautiful die to use for birthdays, to use for Christmas. You can even use it for Halloween if you do it in dark colors, but it's definitely for card making. And if you're into card making, you could use this, or you could just put it right on top of a bag and just decorate your bag. Add your clothespin right here, and done with your decoration. It would look so nice. So that one is it. This one is one of the extras that was sent to me. And so let's move on to the next one. So the next one is amazing. I love it so much. So this is what it looks like. It is a hexagon, you guys, and you know what goes with hexagons. Bees, 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 bees. Okay, so if you missed out on the beehive that I made, I'm gonna link that video below. That it was an SVG file which I picked up from the design store with Silhouette, and you could definitely make something similar if you do not have a cutting machine. And this right here is it, you guys. Right here, a little hexagon 3-tiered box. That is what this die is right here, a little hexagon box right here. And it's such a cute little box. I love the die. The die is amazing. So I did have to add this piece right here to tilt the box. The two top boxes, I had to add a triangular piece right here with some 110-pound cardstock. You could add some foam if you just keep layering up foam, but I did add some lining right here, and this I did on my own. What I did to get that was just die cut your die with patterned paper and just snip off the pieces smaller than the box. Also the top as well. I did the bottom as well. See, this is just the top layer. It's the top layer, and I added it to the bottom here. Added some hot glue. You need to make the bottom very heavy, so I added 2 of those pieces as well as hot glue in between both pieces. Made it heavy enough to carry the 2 top boxes, because if you're gonna add any thing to the top, you have to make it at least the same weight or more at the bottom. So that's what I did. I used hot glue to substitute the weight. And so added some flowers here by Tim Holtz. Added this cute bee gifted to me by Becky, and I will have her linked below. I finally was able to use it, and added a honeycomb right here. I picked up a die from Amazon, added these bees from a die from Amazon as well. And so let's go ahead and open this little box. So this box opens like so, and you could add anything you'd like in there. Such a great piece. Let me go ahead and add that. So there is the paper clip. So it's such a cute little piece. You could add a little embellishment, some beads or some hearts. You can add so much little bits and bobs in here. Here's the second box, and I did add a layer inside the box as well, just to give it some sturdiness. And it's so cute. Oh my goodness, especially that it's a little hexagon. I'm in love. And then here's the top piece right here. I did get some glue right here, so ignore that. There it goes. So the bottom box will keep opening if the top 2 boxes are too heavy. So what you could do, what I will be doing, is adding another layer, a hexagon right here, to keep this box and able to support the top. So it's so cute. Okay, so enough of my drooling over this die. Let me show you some tips and tricks for this die. Okay, so as you can see right here, this piece right here, or this area, is the sides of the box, right? As you can see, you don't see any metal coming down from the joints here, or the fold area. So what you have to do is score. So how I do that is just line it up like on your mat, and if you don't have a mat, just use a ruler. So I'll line it up on your mat, grab your ruler, line it up to those lines, and score. So you'll keep doing that and score. So like so, and score. Just line it up and score. So that's all you have to do. If you are fine doing that, then you will love this die. Such a cute little die. I will have pictures at the end of this video so you could take a proper look at it. So that is it. I will have Inloveart shop link below. These are the little projects that I made, which I'm very happy with, and I hope the recipient will be happy as well. And so these are my projects. I will see you guys in the next video, you guys. I'm so excited because I'm just about done with crafting garden party. I have one more huge project. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.